Good morning. It's 8:32 now. Thanks for tuning in to First News Saturday here on News Channel 15. There's still a lot ahead in this next half hour of news, including where you wildlife and nature lovers can go explore. There's a new destination opening that's just for that. There's no backing out from a major grand opening today. After a few cancellations, New Haven's latest nature center celebrates its grand opening. Next.
Coverage you can count on continues with Drew Blair.
There's another way out there to get out and explore wildlife in our area. This afternoon, Mosier Park in New Haven celebrates the grand opening of its nature center. We have invited the New Haven Parks and Recreation Department's director here this morning. This is Jody Lehman. Thank you so much for being here this morning.
Thank you.
I understand this is a delayed grand opening,
Yes.
So I know weather's kind of gotten in the way of it a couple of times, but you guys have to be pretty excited about this.
We are, finally. We're located right at the end of the Greenway, so we're right on the river, and we've had to deal with some flooding this summer, but few delays, but we're opening today for our grand opening.
And I understand the Nature Center's been around for a little while, but there are even better ways to get out and enjoy it. What is it all about?
Well, it's a former warming building for ice skating, but there's no longer ice skating in the park, and we've turned it into a nature center. We've expanded our hours. We'll be open on the weekends as well as 3 days a week now, and we've got programming for kids and activities and lots of stuff to do.
And this also offers some options for people to get out and volunteer, correct?
It does. We would be able to offer even more open hours and more programming if we had people that would like to volunteer to keep the nature center open. It would be a lot of fun for them too if they like nature and caring for the animals. We've got snakes and turtles
and not only a way to get out and just have some fun at this nature center, but there's also some educational opportunities. What kind of programs do you guys have out there?
We have a preschool program every Tuesday at 10 o'clock, so we'll get out and play with bugs and talk about frogs and snakes and all that fun stuff. Throughout the week, we've got different things, hikes on the weekends every Saturday and an activity hour every Sunday, so a lot of opportunities to learn about our local environment and wildlife and get out there.
Why is it important to have features like this in the community?
Well, I think there's a lot that people don't know. They don't know that there's actually so many different things going on in that. It's a fairly small park, but sometimes pretty rare birds come in and just a lot of wildlife in that small area. There's a lot to see and learn about.
And quickly, if people want to know more information about this nature center, where can they go?
We're on Facebook, we're on newhavenin.org, and they can always call the New Haven Parks Department.
Okay, Jody, thank you so much. Well, it turns